Okay, so come back with um problem with the last one that I have shown you guys in the previous videos about how to use Excel or Google spreadsheet to handle that. So now I'm gonna show you by using TI83. For the column number one, you guys apply everyone at the same as before, right? And then collect all the data. I'm having here with some student already. I will go ahead and using the calculator. I will go, I will click on the start. Edit. Okay, so I'm using the age only. I put out 26, 18, 19, 23, 20, 21, 17, 17, 18, right? 17, 17, 18, 18. So I'm done with 10 number already. Now I will go ahead and click start. Then look at what I want to do. Number four. Number four, what is that? Four is, let me copy all this. So number four is use the age data from 10 students and draw the histogram by using TI. Okay, so I will using TI right now with 3 to 4 class. Okay, so let's go back to here. Actually, I have put A1 already, so I will just go ahead and click on. So make sure that you have put everything on here already, right? So you can get out now. Second, quit. Okay. Okay. Now you will use stat plot over here to grab the histogram. So second, stat plot. Okay, and you see right now, I'm in the stat plot. I highlight number one here. Let's get in it. So by enter. Okay, so you need to highlight the on over here. So highlight it by enter on. Okay. Now you go to the type. So you will use the histogram over here. This one. You will highlight it. Okay. Then you can see that you will use L1 here as the list that we are using. You can go ahead and click on the graph. Okay. It will not appear right away for you in a nice way. What you do is you have to click on zoom. Okay. You can go ahead and click on, go to zoom fit at 0 here. Okay. And enter. All right. So now let's see. I think I have to go to zoom stat actually. Let's see. Okay, yes, this is the one that I'm looking for. Zoom stat, right? So uh so as zoom stat, it's gonna default give you, some like a default with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 classes. That's is a nice one, and as you can use here. But let's say if you would like to change that, you can use the window here and change some things, right? Um, the minimum in here, you can you know that it start from 17 right now. If you want to change that from 15, you can do that. Okay, but I will keep the 17. The max right now is they use 29.25. You can use 29 you like. The X scale gonna be like the width of each bar. Okay, you can use in here in here they use 2.25 for each bar. You can use you different one you like. So and for the Y min and Y max in here I went about it, so I decided to put some -1. You can start with 0, that's fine. And Y max is up to 7, which is 7.0, which is like the frequency, the higher frequency we have right now. So the zoom stat actually gonna give you the like the really the best suggestion, but you really want to change, you can use the window here, okay, and then click back to graph. All right. So after this, what you do is you can screenshot this one, pane. Let me see. Wait a second. Screenshot. No. Go to pane. All right. And then paste that onto the pane, and then you're gonna just cut this. So go back to the lab. You can paste the histogram here. And you will change this one to be, how many glass do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 glass. So let's say 5 glass. Right. Okay, so here's my my outcome, right? And you see this is gonna be from uh from it's not really clear those as the as a Google spread is not showing me on this screen. Let me see if I can do that on here. Okay, let's see. So let me go back to, I'm gonna use my point here and moving it to the, no, actually I'm gonna use chase here. Okay, click on the chase. You can move it around, see. So that's for the first one will be saying that minimum is 17 and up to 19. So this cover like the age in between 17 and 19. So we don't want to go up to, we don't have any age like 19.25. So it's about it. So we have like 17 up to 19.25, something like that. Okay, and we have n equals 6, mean the frequency in here is still. Okay, so I will go ahead and screenshot this one better to describe it. So go back to the pane. Where's my pen? And I'm gonna cut this guy. And go back to here and delete this. And paste back here. And again, if you don't like five class and you want to on four, you're gonna increase the class width to make to be four classes later. Okay. Um, yeah, I can show you. You can go to window and go to the X scale here, which is the class width. I can change to be like 3.25. Let's say that, right? So I like to have like a not whole number for the width. So then it's bounded for the one that not um not gonna be um it's bounded for the one that not uh like 19 is actually gonna be bounded into the one in between 17 and 19. It will not move the 19 into the next one. So we can know exactly values should be in where. Okay, so let's grab it. So now you see, actually I need to change something else, such as like the X max in here, I should say like, because right now the width was 3.25 only, I have to change that. So I would say maybe like 30. Let's grab it now. Okay, now it's look better. Okay, so as you see, we have one, two, three, and four classes. This the last one didn't have anyone. So this is another way though. But you know, but usually we go by Zoom start. So that's gonna be the best one for start this people. Okay. Okay. So that is gonna be for number 4, right? If we do for number 5, right, we want to find the mean, Q1, Q2, Q3, and maximum. You need to click on the start and go to the calculate and go to one var starts here. And we are using L1, so second L1. And the last, you get the outcome. This guy will be the mean. We don't need it, the average, right? We don't need it. Let's go down to the find, input the number here. We need minimum Q1, Q2 is minimum. We need Q3, we have max. So we need this one. I'm gonna screenshot this and I go back to the pane, make it here, and then cut it. Go back to here, and I paste the outcome down to here. And I should state clearly to the reader that Q1 equal to 18. Actually, I should write the mean move first. Mean equal to 17, comma. Where's my picture about? 2 medium 15 point. Q3 will be equal to 21. Max will be equal to 26. All right, so we have done this, right? And I need to grab the box plot also, right? So let me go ahead and use my calculator to grab the box plots. So first, you go back to the step plot again. My second step plot here. You highlight number 1, enter that. Highlight on. You will see in the type here, there is the box plot. They have 2 kind over here. Okay, I would like to use the left one here, the one that have some dot here with its outcome. I mean the outlier. I want to have that one, so enter that. And I want to mark it with, this cap dot or the smaller one if I want to change that. But I like the smaller one. We enter that. Okay. Now I will go ahead and grab it. Okay. So in here, it show me there is one outlier, right? One outlier. And the graph here. So let me screenshot this. And I will go ahead and I'll go ahead and cut this one. And I will paste this down here. So the last question say, is this school or symmetric? If you look at the histogram, you can say that it is school right away. If you look at the box plot, you can also state that, because as you see, the right hand side of the string right hand side of this box will be longer than the string left hand side. So this must be the school to the right. So I will leave the rest for you guys to answer this, answer the part for school or symmetric, right? Keep in mind that mine could be different with yours. In mine, it is school, okay, to the right. And also, I must use measurement for center and spread will be seen in school. So measurement to you to measure the center is median because it's school, and spread is IQR. Okay, keep in mind that if it is symmetry, okay, then you have to use center is mean, and spread must be standard deviation. Okay, so I'm gonna stop and then submit now, and we'll see you next time.